In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a personal access token in GitHub and use it to push with Git. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your GitHub account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, you're going to be taken to a new page. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of options. You will need to scroll down a bit, but keep an eye out for Developer Settings. Click on that. All right, here's where things get interesting. You'll see another set of options here. Click on Personal Access Tokens. Depending on what you need the token for, you'll have the choice between tokens, classic, or fine-grained tokens. If you're new to this process or just need simple repository access, I suggest going with the classic option for now. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice a button that says Generate New Token. Go ahead and click that. You're almost there. The next step is important because you need to set permissions for the token you're creating. You'll see a field where you can provide a note that describes the purpose of the token. This is a good practice, especially if you plan to create multiple tokens for different purposes. Simply type in something like access for pushing code, or however you'd like to label it. After adding a note, you'll need to choose the specific permissions or scopes that this token requires. For pushing code, you should select the repository access scope. This will ensure that the token has the necessary permissions to push changes to your repositories. Once you have configured everything, take a deep breath and click on the Generate Token button at the bottom of the page. Now here's the thing you absolutely need to remember. After you click Generate Token, a unique token will be displayed on the next page. You need to copy this token immediately. GitHub won't show this token to you again once you leave the page, so make sure you store it securely. You can use a password manager or a secure notes app to keep it safe. All right, now that you have your personal access token, let's move on to using it with Git. When you're using the command line to push your code, you'll replace your GitHub password with this token. So the next time you run a command like git push and it prompts you for your username and password, just enter your GitHub username and paste the personal access token in the password field instead. And that's it. You've successfully generated a personal access token in GitHub and learned how to use it to push with Git. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content. Thanks for